WASSCE 2026 Core Mathematics Question 5. Atakrom, Obokrom, and Maakrom are communities in a district. The probability that it will rain in Atakrom is P into bracket A is equal to 3/4. The probability that it will rain in Obokrom is 2/3 the probability of raining in Atakrom. The probability that it will rain in Maakrom is half the probability of raining in Obokrom. We are to find the probability of raining in I, Obokrom, II, Maakrom, and we also have the B part. For now, let's concentrate on the A part of the question. We want the probability of raining in Obokrom. Let the probability that it will rain in Obokrom be P into bracket O. From the question, the probability that it will rain in Obokrom is 2/3 the probability of raining in Atakrom. So that will give us the solution. Probability of raining in Obokrom is 2/3 the probability of raining in Atakrom. So that will be 2/3 times probability of raining in Atakrom. And probability of raining in Atakrom is already given here. So we just fix it here and multiply. So probability of raining in Obokrom will be 2/3 times 3/4. When we multiply, we have 1/2. So that is the probability of raining in Obokrom, 1/2. Let's move to the II part. For the II, we want to find the probability of raining in Maakrom. Let the probability that it will rain in Maakrom be P into brackets M. And from the question, the probability that it will rain in Maakrom is half the probability of raining in Obokrom. So we have an information over here. Probability of raining in Maakrom is half times probability of raining in Obokrom, which we just found. And it's also half. So we fix it. Probability of raining in Maakrom is half times the probability of raining in Obokrom is also half. We multiply and have 1/4. And that answers the II part of the question. Probability of raining in Maakrom is 1/4. And now let's move to the B part of the question. Now, B part of the question, calculate the probability that it will rain in all communities. That is I part of the question. So the probability that it will rain in all communities means that we are finding the probability that it will rain in Atakrom, that is A. And here in probability, we use intersection to represent end. It will also rain in Obokrom, that is O. And that means another intersection. It will rain in Maakrom. Rainfall in one community does not affect rainfall in another community. So rainfall in the three communities are independent events. So that will be probability that it will rain in Atakrom times probability that it will rain in Obokrom times probability that it will rain in Maakrom. And we know all these probabilities. Probability that it will rain in Atakrom is 3 over 4. Obokrom is 1 over 2. And Maakrom is 1 over 4. And when we multiply, we have 3 over 32. So the probability that it will rain in all communities is 3 over 32. And for the B part, we want the probability that it will not rain in any of the communities. Now, according to the law of probability, the probability that an event will occur plus the probability that that event will not occur is equal to 1. So the probability that it will rain in Atakrom, that is P into bracket A, plus probability that it will not rain in Atakrom, the bar at the top represents that it will not rain in Atakrom. If you add these probabilities, you should get 1. The probability that an event will occur plus the probability that that event will not occur is equal to 1. So here we can make probability that it will not rain in Atakrom the subject. That is probability that it will not rain P into bracket A bar representing that it will not rain is equal to 1 minus the probability that it will rain. So probability that it will rain crosses the equal to sign to become minus. And that is how we can find the probability that it will not rain in any of the communities. That is 1 minus the probability that it will rain in that community. So the B part, the probability that it will not rain in any of the communities means that probability that it will not rain in Atakrom, and that's intersection. It will not rain in Obokrom, and it will not rain in Maakrom. These bars at the top represents the probability that the event will not occur. And we are going to multiply them. The probability that it will not rain in Atakrom times probability that it will not rain in Obokrom times probability that it will not rain in Maakrom. And probability that it will not rain in Atakrom, we will just subtract the probability that it will rain in Atakrom from 1. For the probability that it will not rain in Obokrom, we have 1 minus probability that it will rain in Obokrom, which we know to be half, times probability that it will not rain in Maakrom. We just follow the formula 1 minus probability that the event will occur. The probability that it will rain in Maakrom is 1 over 4. So we just subtract from 1 to get the probability that it will not rain in Maakrom. Then we multiply this. We use the calculator and we have 3 over 32. So the probability that it will not rain in any of the communities is 3 over 32.